Hey there! Today we are talking about cleansers. Cleansers are the first step in any good skincare routine. Think of them as the cleaning crew that preps your skin for the rest of your skincare products. A cleanser's job is simple but crucial. It removes dirt, oil, pollution, and makeup from your skin. By removing these impurities, cleansers prevent clogged pores and breakouts. They also create a clean canvas for other products like serums and moisturizers to penetrate more effectively. Imagine trying to paint a masterpiece on a dirty canvas. It wouldn't turn out so well, right? The same goes for your skin. When your skin is clean, it can better absorb all the good stuff you put on it afterwards. So, choosing the right cleanser for your skin type is essential for achieving a healthy and radiant complexion. Why is cleansing so important, you ask? Well, imagine going through a whole day without washing your face. Not a pretty picture, right? Throughout the day, your skin comes into contact with all sorts of things: dirt, pollution, sweat, and even bacteria. These impurities build up on your skin's surface, clogging pores and leading to breakouts. That's where cleansers come in. They act like little magnets, attracting and removing all that gunk from your skin. Regular cleansing helps to prevent acne, blackheads, and other skin problems. It also helps to control oil production, keeping your skin balanced and healthy. By removing dead skin cells, cleansers also promote cell turnover, revealing brighter and smoother skin underneath. Remember, cleansing is not just about removing visible dirt, it's about creating a clean and healthy base for your skin to thrive. Just like there are different skin types, there are different types of cleansers to suit every need. For oily or acne-prone skin, gel cleansers are a great choice. They provide a deep clean without stripping the skin of its natural oils. Cream cleansers are perfect for dry or sensitive skin, as they cleanse gently while hydrating the skin. Foam cleansers create a rich lather that effectively removes makeup and impurities. They are suitable for most skin types. For those who prefer a gentle and hydrating cleanse, cleansing balms and oils are excellent options. They melt away makeup and impurities without stripping the skin of its natural moisture. Now that you know the importance of cleansing and the different types available, let's talk about how to use a facial cleanser effectively. First, wet your face with lukewarm water. Then, dispense a small amount of cleanser onto your fingertips and lather gently. Gently massage the cleanser onto your face in circular motions, focusing on the T-zone, forehead, nose, and chin, where oil and impurities tend to accumulate. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water, and pat your face dry with a clean towel. Exfoliating is important for removing dead skin cells, but it's best to do it after cleansing. This allows the exfoliating particles to work their magic on a clean surface. So there you have it. The secret to glowing skin starts with a good cleanser. By incorporating a cleanser into your daily skincare routine and following these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to achieving a healthy and radiant complexion. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, or visit greatermood.com for more skincare and wellness tips. See you next time.